Today I have got something really exciting. MintMongoose reached out to me a couple of weeks ago and wanted me to review their subscription box. Now, MintMongoose is something a little bit different. They have jewelry. It is not makeup. It is jewelry. But you know what? I am sure I've got people out there that absolutely love jewelry. I do. I don't really wear it a lot. But I was very interested in this because I do wear jewelry if I have somewhere to go, and not a whole lot of it appeals to me. So I wanted to see what they were made of. So now we are going to be doing an unbagging or an unboxing and also a review. I'm going to tell you what I think about them. So if you want to find out what is in this bag and a little bit about MintMongoose subscription box, just keep watching. Hey everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. Now before we get started, for those of you that are new, my name is Mandy and welcome to the video. Alright guys, you've seen the intro, you've read the title. MintMongoose has reached out to me and sent me one of their subscriptions. Now this is a monthly subscription and it is jewelry. Anyways, they sent me out one of their subscriptions to review and let you guys see and give you my opinion about it. So that is exactly what I'm going to do. Now, again, I don't really wear a lot of jewelry. Not a whole lot of it appeals to me. Now, if I've got somewhere to go, of course, yes. I am just terribly picky when it comes to jewelry. That's why I don't wear a lot. And not to mention, it's pricey. It's up there. So, guys, I'm going to go ahead and unbag this. But first, I want to tell you a little bit about MintMongoose. Now, again, it is a monthly subscription. Now, for $12 plus shipping, you will get a little bag like this. And it's going to have 3 pieces of jewelry in it. The jewelry is going to be worth over $40. So $12 for 3 pieces of jewelry for over $40 is absolutely amazing. Now they do have an upgraded version. It is called MintMongoose Black. Now this is $22.99 plus shipping a month. But in this subscription, you will be getting 4 pieces plus 2 accessories. And one of the items you get to pick in the MintMongoose Black subscription. And not to mention, guys, they have got so much other stuff other than jewelry. They got handbags, they got scarves, they've just got so much more stuff. Anything like accessory-wise. Now, the good thing about MintMongoose is it does ship worldwide, so it is not just US and Canada, it is everywhere. It is worldwide, and that is one of my biggest things when I'm doing these subscription boxes, because I don't like doing a lot of boxes that just don't do it worldwide, because I want everybody to be able to get these boxes, and I just want everybody to enjoy it. So I'm hoping everybody will end up opening up worldwide. I mean, why can't we all just, come on, send them out. Send them out. You know you're making money. They ship out their boxes the 15th of every month. Your first subscription, it will be shipped out 48 hours after your payment is processed. You also get to choose what tone of jewelry that you like. They have got gold, they've got rose gold, and they also got silver. Now, I chose gold, and why I done that, I don't know, because I look a hell of a lot better in silver or white gold, but I wanted to do something a little bit different. You also get to fill out a profile on there, which they will follow. Now, if your ears are not pierced, I think you could get clip-ons or something different. I'm not sure. You'll have to, don't mark my words on that. But they do go by your profile. Now that you know a little bit more about MintMongoose, let's go ahead and get to the unbagging. So again, it comes in this little packaging. And this is the box. Oh, guys, my little stamp fell off. But this is so adorable. It was right there. I'm just, one of them days. And it peels right off. So that is so adorable. And then, of course, the little ribbon. So let's go ahead and get her off. This is just, their packaging is so gorgeous. Oh my gosh, a piece of candy. That is Werther's Original. That's like, my grandparents would love that. Who am I fooling? I'm old. I love that candy. Okay, guys, so first I fill a little card in here. Now, this is a thank you card from MintMongoose, and it says, "Yay, it's here." That is just adorable. The candy and the card, I'm already loving it. Okay, now they've got everything wrapped in this mint green tissue, which is just awesome. And here are the little packs. I'm assuming that the jewelry is in. So let's go ahead and dig into some of these. Now, this is the first one, and it's got the little MintMongoose on it. And another thing, their stamp will be on every piece of jewelry they put out, and all this jewelry is just exclusive to MintMongoose. So you will not find this jewelry anywhere else. So it's got the little mongoose, and right here on the back it says spend $40 on individual items in our online shop and receive your next box for free. Well, that's amazing, guys. Awesome. Now, I'm ready to see what's in here. Okay, now everything is packaged really nicely. All right, I see 2 things in here, so I'm going to try to pull out one at a time. Yeah, I've got a ring in this. Now, again, I did choose gold. Now, their rings, so far from what I have seen, all of them are adjustable, so they don't go all the way around. So they are adjustable to fit your finger size. I think that is just adorable. It's got little ridges in it. And it is something plain and simple, and that is what I like. I like plain. I like simple. I don't like nothing too out there. And, of course, the earrings, which are just as adorable. Okay, they got like a mint green stone in them. Okay, those are so adorable, guys. Those really are. I really like them. All right, now let's open this next pack right here. Same packaging, same little letter or the little card. Now I'm going to open this up, and I'm going to assume that this is a necklace because I already see the chain. Oh my gosh, I'm going to tingle it. And again, it is very well packaged, but I don't know if I could get it out here without me actually winding it up, because I'm just a klutz that way. And everything happens to me that way. Well, I did kind of wind it up a little bit. And it is so adorable, guys. It looks like a little turtle, but I think it's just supposed to be like a little stone. And again, their stamp is going to be a it's not going to be a MintMongoose. There ain't no such thing as a MintMongoose. But there will be a little mongoose stamped on every piece of their jewelry. Again, this is exclusive only at MintMongoose. Can you get this stuff? Now, I think it looks like a turtle, but I think it's just supposed to be a stone. And again, it is the same color as in the earrings. That is so adorable. And again, I have wound up this necklace, and it does have one of these adjustable straps right here. So this is one of those adjustable straps if it is too little or too large for your neck, or you could adjust it for it to hang a little bit lower if you would like that. And it also has these 2 little stones with the same color stones in it on this side. That goes, I don't know where those go, but those are adorable. Oh my gosh, I love it. I just love it. And that is something simple and elegant. And I mean that it's just something, that's me. This is me. Okay, I like simple. I like elegant. That's why I'm so picky, because everything that I get tends to, it just seems to be a little bit extra. And I do love simple. I love simplicity. It's my thing. So guys, I hope you enjoyed seeing this unbagging, and I hope you will go check them out and see all this great jewelry and the great other stuff they got. They also have watches. I forgot about that. They have watches too. So I will link them below. Make sure you go check them out. They are just a really great company. And for $12 a month and getting 3 pieces of jewelry, or if you would like to upgrade, I mean, you can't beat it, guys. You really can't beat it. So I really did like this. And if you did enjoy the video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and become part of the Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so, so much. And I will see you next video. Bye, guys.